Get your fucking hands off my daughter, bitch! I'll kill you! Motherfucker got me fucked up!
I'm a lollipop.
You're in the pool swimming?
You're relaxed.
What the fuck was that?
Your pussy smells. Which deodorant are you using? La Boo Boo.
We're triplets, we do everything in threes. And when we go to Starbucks, we say triple venties, please.
That's what she said. And you know what? What was that?
Say your name whenever you're ready.
Marcus Weaver.
Taser, taser, taser.
just need to relax and stop overreacting.
Murdered this man.
Yes,
You tortured him.
of course.
Hey Siri, can you check my bank balance and let me know what kind of Apple product I can afford?
Apple juice.
I have to go. Get off that dime, Julio, act a foolio. Bitch, I called your motherfucking phone. That's how you do me, ho.
You're in the pool swimming?
You're relaxed.
What the fuck was that?
This is not good. I think this is the end.
Yeah, I think this is the end, bro. I think we're dead.
My name is Andrew Dingus.
Oh, shittings.
Your lives are in danger.
What?
Look to your left. That's your right. Look left. My God.
Stand my butt cheeks on your forehead while you're sleeping and let out the most disgusting, greasy steamer that's ever been uttered by a human being, and you're gonna wake up with double pink eye. Do you understand?
I know I'm big, but bitch, I'm not that fucking big. Like, look.
Oh my gosh, I was on that forever. I mean, there's not much to do. Might as well just go on my phone. Oh, hello, Doc.
Is there no way we can get rid of him?
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause. It is because I hate him.
What exactly is a simp?
Please, Keiko, don't leave me. Look, I'm a crab.
Oh my god, Izzy! Why would you be doing that? You know how I feel about vapes in the house!
Oh, come on, try it. I'm scared. Don't be silly. Coochie coochie coo.
Back in the bell, let's go. She like I smell cologne. I just had to deal them out. Yeah, yeah. Go out.
Yes. Oh. Hang on. Oh, hello. Floor is not. Okay, no, I got it. No, I'm fine. You're scaring me. Dude, it's like I hear breathing behind my ears, and then I turn around, there's a skinwalker, and I shoot them in the face. What? To what so? Jesus, Jesus. Why won't wrong? If you touch like the skull, then you're just instantly iron. I just shot myself! What will happen? Why would you do that? Did you guys see that? I just shot myself! What? Why would you shoot yourself? That's not very smart. I tried shooting the anomaly and I shot myself on accident. What the fuck? How do you even do that? If you look at someone else's picture, if you look at their picture and you shoot them, you shoot yourself.
Dustin, Lucas, Will, Mike. Dustin, Lucas, Will, Mike.
Max.
Dustin, Lucas, Will. Dustin, bippity boppity boo. Put them together and what have you got? Bippity boppity boo now.
Always been too scared and unprepared to let anybody.
What's up guys, today I'm going to be jumping over a speeding Lambo, and if I survive, you have to like and subscribe. Alright, let's go!
Wake up! Wake up! Respawn! Why are my friends not respawning? Wake up! Respawn!
I want that one.
You want the thick thighs, pussy?
A tip that I found out today in Animal Hospital. So you see that greenish thing in the eyes? If you go on cams, the animal is an anomaly, right? And if you go to the other animal, there's no green in the eyes. Which means if you check on cams, it won't be an anomaly. And neither on the picture. So basically, what I'm trying to say is that if the animals have the green thing in their eye, then the animal is an anomaly. But if not, then they're not sometimes.
Tips in playing Animal Hospital on Roblox. Use fire extinguisher to kill invisible anomaly. You can throw fainted patients in the trash 3. Use fire extinguisher to clean slimes faster. You can drink coffee 2 times before giving it to Barney. Use eye drops to remove candles. Get out! Give maple syrup to the bed monster. Don't have a clip for it.
Be quiet!
You're not my mama.
Your Prime if you scroll. Your Prime if you like. Your Prime if you comment.
Your Prime if you share. Your Prime if you subscribe. Your Prime if
Yup, right there. Clear signs of tooth decay.
You stop accusing me. He isn't laughing at you. Look at him, he's laughing, bro. Oh my god. This is not good. I think this is the end.
Yeah, I think this is the end, bro. I think we're dead.
My name is Andrew Dingus.
Oh, shittings.
He's coming back, man!
Lucas, Will, Mike. Dustin, Lucas, Will, Mike.
Max.
Dustin, Lucas, Will. Dustin,